Good morning, class. Today, on the 17th of May 2020, we are going to look at basic operations. Under basic operations, specifically, we'll look at computer security and viruses. And this lesson is going to be presented by Mr. Nyanga Mcgiven. In this lesson, class, I will expect you um, to be able to describe what computer security is. Thereafter, you are also going to be expected to be in a position to explain what hardware theft means. Finally, in today's lesson, you are going to be expected to be able to outline at least some consequences of hardware theft. Going forward, class, we are going to begin with the computer security to understand what computer security is. In the first place, computer security is also known as cyber or information technology security. What is computer security? Sorry, class, somebody has stepped on the adapter there. Yeah, class, very good. We are back. Computer security refers to all the processes and measures aimed at protecting computer hardware and software. Going forward, now let's look at the other concept of hardware theft. What is hardware theft? Hardware theft, class, simply refers to the stealing of computers and computer devices. Mobile computers and portable devices are at high risk in this regard of being stolen. What could be the reason of this, class? As an example, laptop computers as one of the categories of mobile computers are often a target of theft for software and confidential information. Class, now what are the consequences of hardware theft? The first one that we are going to look at is loss of very useful information. Inconvenience. To explain this a bit, if, for example, in a company, some thieves break into the director's office and steal confidential information such as employees' information, operations of such a company can be negatively affected. Companies that deal in maybe the production of chemical reagents, for example, if information pertaining to the formulas used is stolen, simply means that the production will temporarily halt and the company will incur some losses. That is an example, or rather, those are some of the examples of the inconvenience that can be brought about hardware theft. Extra costs, for example, replacing a stolen computer, replacing various computer hardware and software for business to continue. The next one is software theft. Consequences of hardware theft. The fourth one is software theft. The next one is loss of personal information. As I have already alluded to when I was explaining the inconvenience part. Now, class, Um, how do we summarize our lesson? Today we have looked at computer or cyber security, which is simply the processes and measures aimed at protecting computer hardware and software. Hardware theft, we say that it is the stealing of computers and computer devices. Um, Class, let's see how much we have grasped or understood in this lesson by doing this oral. Um, no. In fact, let's just take out our books and write the following exercise in 5 minutes time. I'll be going around to mark. The first question is define computer security. The second one is outline 2 consequences of hardware theft. For further reading class, some of these notes or concepts can be found in those textbooks which we gave you, the grade 8 computer studies textbook, those you are using in pairs. Then those who can have access, the grade 8 computer studies syllabus can also help you, like that one we have stuck at the back of the class, so that you can consolidate the understanding. Very good. The performance has been very good so far. Those books that I have marked, at least most of you have gotten 2 out of 3, which is very good class. But don't let's not forget to study. Continue studying hard. Otherwise, this is the end of today's lesson. Continue being good boys and girls. See you tomorrow.